Now this is an interesting car. It's a Derby Bentley and it's a coach-built car, but it's been rebodied by Rod Jolley. Now Rod Jolley's now sadly retired, but you can see he was a craftsman. And the beauty of this body, really the details, you just have to take time to drink them in. Everywhere you look, there's a wonderful piece of sculpted metal, and it's all been pulled together as one cohesive design. Individual elements might look OTT, but it blends together beautifully, and it is a stunning creation. The owner likens the lines to those of Figoni and Falaschi, one of the most celebrated French coach builders, and it's not hard to see why. I mean, this is a very glamorous, very good looking, almost roadsterish car. The lines go all the way through, and you can see the attention to detail is just fabulous. You've got these incredible bladed wings, and then the rear bumper, the way it mirrors that kink at the back of the wing, it's just been beautifully put together. So it's not period coach work, but I can't think of a period coach builder who would not have been damn proud to turn out this car. And as I say, it is a true testament to Rod Jolley's skills.